I know so many people who are amazing at avoiding writing their bios. I used to be that person too. We are our own worst critics, but we are also storytellers, and we have to share our story too. Honestly, you guys, no one else will do it for us. So let's begin with these simple baby steps. Okay, so you're gonna start off with writing your name, right? Your current role, your ultimate goal, and your biggest achievement. See, wasn't too hard, right? So this is a great first start on writing a short bio of yourself. Here's my mini bio, which I shared in the previous modules, and it honestly constantly evolves with me. So it might evolve again, like I can't promise that. But if you watch this video years down the line, I guarantee it will evolve and change, but the first two letters probably won't. All right, so here's my example. I'm a Turkmen-American storyteller on a mission to inspire individuals to begin their artistic journey. Short and sweet. If you want to write a professional bio, then take these steps. Write your name, your current role or professional tagline, your company or your personal brand, your goals and aspirations, and your 2 to 3 most impressive and relevant achievements, and 1 quirky fact about you, if it's appropriate, of course. So depending on where your bio is showcased, it could be written from you as a first or third person. A third person bio is usually great for programs that are handed out in theater plays or podcast interviews, basically where other people are getting the pleasure to introduce you to their audience. First person bios usually can be shared on personal websites and social media sites because you want to engage with your audience one-on-one, I hope, right? So, for example, you won't see me saying, hey, I Hoja is a Turkmen-American storyteller and you should follow that girl. No. I'll say, hey folks, I'm Aya Hoja and I'm a Turkmen-American cool storyteller and we should be friends. So don't overthink it. Think of bio as your elevator pitch for anyone who needs to get an idea of who you are without you actually being there physically in front of them. You want to talk to them from your heart and from the present moment. So we will use this bio when it's time to create your portfolio, so begin drafting your story now. All right? You got this. I'm so excited.